started blogging about 6 years ago, and I had a passion for changing the world through sharing my stories of everyday life. And let's be honest, I shared some really bad outfit choices. Nowadays, it seems like everyone is some kind of blogger, but you know what? I'm okay with that. That is what is really amazing about Nashville. I recently went to the Blogger Exchange and met some really inspiring and super encouraging women, and some boys too. My friends Lee and Kay hosted it. It was really neat to connect with so many other creatives and learn that there's really room for everyone. If you have a dream to share your fashion or your life stories or whatever it is, I say go for it. It was also really great to hear some tips and tricks and stories from some of the best bloggers and influencers out there. I love when people come together and unite. Isn't that what life is all about? My life motto is that we were all created for a big purpose. And you know what? You are perfect. Be sure to check out some of my amazing friends, and I hope that we can all keep on inspiring others. See you guys next week.